unboxing, setup, and demo. And today's special guest is Nozzles the Clown. So, if I sound like I'm dying or have been hit by a bus, it is because of the pollen, and yeah, that is why. So, if you're also wondering why we are outside, it is because the garage is filled to the brim with stuff and I cannot film. So, what you just saw there was the garage. Thank you to my cameraman who is right now behind the scenes filming, making sure that everything is nice, clean shots. So, let's get right into the unboxing of Nozzles. So first here we have his foam. Next, another piece of foam. Next is his clown shoes, which is my first time with clown shoes, and his nozzles, which are awesome. So this is actually my first time with SVI clown shoes. So here we are with the orange plastic shoes. Next is the instructions. Next here we have the arm connectors. I cannot get one of them out. I got one. Here's another one. Next we have the head, which the head is awesome. Let me quickly take it out of the package, and then I will bring it up close to the camera. So here we have the head unwrapped. So here you can see the head. Awesome detail, love it. I might need to fix the eyes, but it'll depend. His hair is not that crazy, but we can fix that. Next is the hog tubing and stuff. So yeah, that stuff, that good old stuff. Here we have the mech. Next we have the clothes, which the clothes are awesome. The adapter. Let me see if I can pull this out. So, we finished the unboxing and we forgot to film the base, the poles, and the mech, but that doesn't matter. We got the majority of the things out, so let's get right into his setup. So first are these two poles. Oh, there we go. There we go. Next is C-poles. Which actually we might just have to bring him forward a little bit. Let's move him a little bit forward. Thanks, cameraman. Next is shoes. He's already pretty tall. For people saying that, like, oh, only for 6 feet, like, he's pretty tall, which is awesome. So that's what we want. But I'm only like 5 foot something. So, and he's 6 foot. So that explains a lot. Let's try not to poke a hole in the foam. Hey, there we go. We didn't poke no holes except for in this one, but that was prior filming. Next is the pants, which are these? Maybe? Yes. Here are his pants. I do not think it matters which leg goes on which. We're just gonna go down the leg, and then now onto the other leg. So now we gotta find where the outside is and pull that down. Finish pulling the leg down because for some reason it got twisted. There we go. And next is the D-Mac is actually the turning mech. So now here comes the hard part. Hey, there we go. Now this one. Hey, there we go. Now both push pins can go in, and now they can both be pushed down. This one isn't wanting to go in. Oops, I almost broke it there. Alright, whatever. And now we can pull the pants up, I think. Yes. We can pull the pants up and over. And next, it's gonna be this mech. Thank you so much, car. This video isn't gonna be the best video, but who cares? Okay, let's straighten him back out. Now let's read the instructions. So now let's put on the shirt. So the shirt, by the way, for anyone that's watching this as a little bit of kind of like a setup thing, the shirt has Velcro in the back. Use it. Because you're gonna want it. There you go. Okay. Now it is telling me to put the sensor through its corresponding hole. So here we go. Boom, maybe? Boom. Boom. Decency nozzles, decency. What is next is the arms. So this, I've heard, is one of the tougher parts. So I think eye goes in this one. Hold on, let me just check it. If eye goes that way. Yeah. So yep, eye goes in this one. And now you have to feed all the tubing and stuff up the sleeve, which we might just have to, maybe not. I was gonna think that we may have to cut it, but maybe it might just go in good enough. Okay, there we go. We're slowly getting there. Where's the nozzle piece, or where's the VOD? There we go. There we go. Okay, let me figure out how this goes. Okay, there we go. Maybe, if this wants to work with me. Peace. Okay, there we go. One nozzle almost in. One nozzle in? Yes, one nozzle in. Next is the other nozzle piece. Yes. Alrighty. So now I think we can connect it. Okay. Next is the nozzles. I think L goes on one. Is it this one? Or yeah, it's this one. So we put that down. If it'll work. Maybe not. Maybe it's L. I guess so. It is L. Okay. Ooh, the nozzle's actually way the arms down. And now, there we go. We get the fog too. I have to connect some wires here in a second, so. Yep. There we go. Okay. Now. Okay, so this video is crazy, but I finished the head if you guys didn't see that. I just finished the poles. I'm working on finishing up the wires. So, yep. Okay. It took me super long, but I got the fog and the ruffles back attached. So let's plug him in. I think he should work. Took me forever to figure out how to do the fog. So here we go.
Nothing like a little Halloween fog to set the mood. I can't get enough of this stuff. Get a load of this holiday cheer.
The sensor's actually kind of.
Careful where you're going. I'm trying to sanitize this place first. When I'm done, nothing's gonna be left living. Oh, makes your eyes water, don't it? Yeah! I just ooze with Halloween spirit. I also ooze with all kinds of toxic stuff too. But don't worry, it's only lethal in large doses.
So that was Nozzles. He has very long setup and the fog machine is kind of hard to work. But I love him. So stay tuned for the Terror Talk. This is Terror on Tamarack. Happy haunting.